In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate a payment link in Stripe. Deactivating a payment link is really helpful when you no longer want customers to use a particular link. For example, if a promotion has ended, a product is out of stock, or you've replaced it with a newer offer. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to safely switch off any existing payment link. First, open your web browser and go to your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct Stripe account, especially if you manage multiple businesses or workspaces. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see an overview of your payments and activity. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the menu options appear. Next, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Stripe groups all of its main features, like payments, customers, products, and more. Scroll down that left-hand column until you see the option labeled Payment Links. Go ahead and click on Payment Links. This will open a page showing a list of all the payment links you've created for this account, including active and possibly inactive ones. Now, find the specific payment link you want to deactivate. You can usually identify it by the product name, description, or date it was created. Take a moment here to double-check that you've selected the correct link, because once you deactivate it, customers will no longer be able to use it to complete a payment. When you've located the right link, look to the far right side of that row. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. This will open a small drop-down menu with several actions you can take on that payment link. From the drop-down options, select Deactivate. Stripe may ask you to confirm that you really want to deactivate this link. Confirm your choice, and the status of that payment link will change from active to inactive. After this, anyone who tries to use the old link will no longer be able to complete a payment, and that's it. You've successfully deactivated a payment link in Stripe. Remember, you can come back to the payment links section at any time to review which links are active and clean up any old ones you no longer need.